Yo, check it out, yo. Ukhalipa Samkelo Mbangwalo, well known as Kaisla. Yeah, man, we're shooting our show here, which is a questions game. Sponsored by PC2 Studios. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. Otherwise, I have umchita becala kwam. Ngubani umchita udume ngani?
Ndidume ngewoqabela ibhayisikili
Okay.
nje nokuhlamba imoto nje imoto endayihlamba nje besikona nje.
Okay.
Igama
ngubani?
Igama lami nguKaditiel.
Bani?
Kaditiel.
Oh, Kaditiemo. Okay, Kaditiemo. Uthi uhlambe imoto, mhlambe sahlamba nale esihamba ngayo imoto nayo ibe clean. Yeah, man, otherwise I'm supposed to ask umnganami apha questions zibe 5. So into yethi ithi ke apha, for each question that you get uthi PCT Studios masikunike 10 rand. So if ufumana zonke you get 50 rand. If ufumana 3 sikunike 30 rand. But if you get none okanye you get ufune 2 you get nothing. Okanye ufune 1 you get nothing. Yeah, man, that doesn't phone yethu is acting up. It's acting up, it's acting up, it's acting up. Yeah. So are you ready for your first question?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Or to read. The first question is what's the name of the holiday that is on the 1st of May every year? I'm copying something chonge.
Three days later.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Women's Day.
Yo!
Sana umkopisi hapo.
Phansi ngama-cheater, phansi.
Down with the cheetah.
Phansi ngama-cheater, phansi.
Sorry, umkopisi. Otherwise, it's a khwepe. You're wrong. The brain is not braining. Go ugly. The holiday it's International Workers' Day. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Oh, lies, lies, lies. And everywhere is lies.
Okay. We get you guys, so it's a whip. Is it recording this thing? Hey, I look up in this bed and that's in this host. It happens, guys. It's life. Otherwise, are you ready for your second question?
I'm ready.
All right. So our phone, I have to improvise. Second question. It's how many kilometers are between Imaluti and Matatiele?
120.
Joe.
No, it's a weird.
120 kilometers.
Yeah.
At what point does this make any sense? At what point?
It doesn't make it.
At what point do you think?
120 kilometers.
120 kilometers.
Sorry.
Hey. Hey, so clear camera been shake on there. Hi guys, it's a whip. It's a whip. No. It's 11.3 kilometers. Now you know. Ne?
I know. Right.
Yeah, man. So it's a whippy for the second question. See where start. The question's lapha so now I have to think of something. Okay, what's the name of ward councillor was a ward 1?
igama likabani?
The ward councillor was a ward 1.
Eish. Bheki Cele.
Tell No. The brain is not braining. Yo. Anger. Okay. The correct answer, ne? It's Ukhanyisa Mazwi. Now you know.
Akungona ndiyazi.
Alright, so we questions ngaphi start. So 3 is gone already. So the hopes of you winning. Madam mhlambe khonto engenzeka. Let's think of another one. How ukuzitrack phaya ansena stress ke ngo. But masibe sibuzani imibuzo thina. What question can I ask you? Give me a suggestion.
Ukuthi upresident wase South Africa ngubani?
Isikhambi impela ngale isikhambi awukho nahali shem wa understand.
No, let's twist it up. What is the deputy president of South Africa?
Oh, no way, bro.
I know, it had to be said.
Who's the name? What's the name of the deputy president of South Africa? Need to look up copies.
Eish. Deputy President of South Africa. I think is nguye uBheki Cele.
Man, what is wrong with you niggas, man?
What's with you, Bheki Cele, bitch? The brain is not braining, yeah. Go actually. No, the deputy president said something, not long ago, less than 30 minutes ago, say something, remember someone else's questions, yeah. Now I'm getting but again, I'm chikambang. But the correct answer is Paul Machatile. It's Paul Machatile. Now you know. Okay. The last question, no? This one is gonna be a difficult one because anything goes for money. But I don't think it's gonna be difficult. Maybe a Muslim cheat. There's the artist that goes by igama elithi nguTamek. Do you know what is his real name?
Hayi.
Abazi ne?
Andimazi.
Uyanyubo. Okay, let me give you another one. What's another one then? Okay. Apha eMatatiela ne? There's eShop opposite Office National. What's the name of that shop?
I think
Across the road.
the shop.
Eh.
I think is
2,000 years later.
good game.
Eh?
Good game.
Who came? Imatatela.
Eh.
Okay, mfethu, okay. Hayi. Ukuhluhlekisa ikruba semva ngoba nayiza sefeint ikruba. Selani imanzi kabi, selala amanzi. Hayi zakhona ku-ugly guys, hayi kubad. The brain is not braining.
It's the worst thing. I've never seen anything like it.
I've never seen it as well. That one, I don't think it's. Is that South Africa?
Okay, the shop that is opposite Office National, it's Elegant Man. Across the road, go Elegant Man. Otherwise, I was okay, so he gets nothing. 50 rand, money, say I save. Otherwise, yeah, man. Jitam, where can people follow you and what are you pushing currently?
I was like, hold on.
Hope push and do not bang social media and stuff like that.
TikTok, Facebook,
Yeah, my handles
TJ,
TJ.
TJ,
It's just T and J.
TEEJAY.
Oh, okay. Even on Facebook. Yeah, okay. Otherwise, what are you busy currently pushing right now?
Nje ku posta nje umsenko wami.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
that's right.
Ewa.
I enjoy your game. Oh, well, that's nice, man. Otherwise, thank you for being on our show. Khonimoto edlulayo. Yeah. So khonimoto ebidlula apha basiphazamise sabotage South Africans zinjalo sasabotage. Otherwise, you're watching show here 30 questions game. This is Kaysla Kalipa Samkelo Mbango. You can follow me on Facebook. It's KSLA_music. You can follow us up on Nagu social media as BCT Studios. So it's BCT_studios. Yes, man. Follow, subscribe, like, share, comment, do everything, man. Tell everyone to tell everyone that questions game. It's lit. Sure.
Are you looking for the best? Best photography. Best videography. We've got you covered. BCT Studios. Book us now.
Emoyeni wami wena uyigongo kwami sangena basemathandweni kanje. Are you the one I breathe, the one I live, the one I would die for? Oh,